Well, as you can see, I caught a seagull. He's right here. Look, he's biting me. Doesn't hurt that much, but he won't let go. Ow! Uh, keeps biting me. I'll be letting him go. It was nice catching them. They're pretty blind when it comes to food. They don't see what's coming at them. Beautiful bird. See, look at him. Nice bird. So I'll be letting him go. See, he bites. Doesn't hurt. Junior's just over here like wondering what's going on.
Daddy,
What?
what happened?
Bird. Come here, touch. Pet the bird.
Ah.
So I'll be letting him go now.
Ow.
And that's it. He's gone. So I'll talk to you again. Caught me in my neck right there. That pretty hurts.
Daddy, Daddy, Daddy.
Junior was pretty much scared of it. It was funny. Yeah, se fue. It left. And talk to you guys later. One.